Morning. Good morning. All right. Mr. Kern.
All right. How's it going? Good morning. My name is Frank Kern. This is Brendon Burchard. Hey, E, what's happening, man? Good to see you over there. Welcome to our fancy little, our little intimate seminar. Hello, Harrison Brothers back there. Blurry due to my bad contact lenses. My wife's got really bad vision. I don't know why she gave me these contact lenses to wear. Hers are defective, clearly. So here's what this weekend is all about. This is kind of a really intimate setting, as you can tell. We're going to walk you through what we do in our businesses that make the most money the fastest. Our primary objective throughout this whole thing is to really give you a concrete game plan / blueprint for the next 12 months of promotional concepts and formulas that you can use to make a lot of the money quickly, and to do so, well, if I said to do so without any work, I would be exaggerating. So to do so with minimal work, or should I say to do so with more fulfilling work. So that's our mission. This is going to be a very interactive experience. We don't intend to talk at you as much as we do with you, and we also intend to work together on stuff a lot, not only us interacting with you, but also you guys interacting with each other. Don't get comfortable, because we're going to move you around a lot. We're going to do the old divide and conquer trick. And
God, that's a great trick.
yeah, it is a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I saw it in that movie 300. That's what they did. Yeah.
So our goal this weekend is, as you said, to make you think through your promotions and make you think through your strategies and marketing a little bit more. The fact that we have in our business is that we get so caught up, we're super busy, we're trying to figure everything out, and what ends up happening, especially in the internet marketing world, is everyone's just doing promotion after promotion after promotion without any real strategic thought to, okay, where are we leading the customer? How are we building the business over the course of 12 months, as an example? And a lot of people don't do that, and because we get caught up. So it's like, oh wait, I got to send this email out today, right? Versus, okay, I know what I'm going to send out in 4 months from now, and so should you. So you want to be thinking through that. So a lot of the workshopping will be actually you in your business. So we want to start the day sort of at a conceptual level of saying, okay, here's what we think the formula is. Here's how we think about marketing, because we want to give you that conceptual, strategic understanding about great marketing. But then we're going to make you apply it too. And then especially tomorrow and Sunday, we're going to say, okay, we told you how we think about it. Here's it in play. Here's a letter that he sends out to get a $100,000 client, and how that works and why it works. Here's a platform presentation that I do for 90 minutes that gets 30% of the room to close into a $3,000 program. And we'll bust it down and say, here's why that works. Here's a promotional series that I sent out for affiliate marketing that got me ranked number 3 and number 4 for some of the biggest launches this year. And I'll show you why did that work? What is the strategy behind all of this, so that you can start thinking more strategically about your own marketing. Because if you saw the webinar I did online, it was all about, the major problem that most people have with their marketing is just lack of strategic sequencing. Whether it's just a series of emails or it's a series of months, it's thinking at a higher level about your business and your marketing and your consumer so that you get more effective results. And so our goal is hopefully to say, here's how we think about it, and here's how we do it, but at the same time to workshop a lot of that so that you're applying it in your business. So when you leave here on Sunday, you say, you know what, I know what I'm doing the next couple of months. I've got it down. I've got 12 boxes here. I know what I'm going to be doing. And so is workshopping cool with you all? Yeah. Okay, because we wanted to make this, as we said, it's behind the scenes. So if we do a good job, this will feel informal. It will feel conversational. And it will feel like you get some time to do Q&As. We'll do hot seats throughout the weekend as well, where we'll put someone up here and we'll just walk through business ideas and concepts with you. So with that said,
let's get freaky.
Let's get freaky. So what we want to do is, again, this is as much about you, because we got some amazing heavy hitters in this room. We have some people who are starting in new niches or starting new businesses, but we also have people who have really matured in their marketing, and we want you to all know each other a little bit, because this weekend, if anything, you can maybe pick up a few affiliates here as well and learn a lot from each other. So with that, what we want to do is start with just a little speed networking activity for you all to meet each other, to know who's in the room, and to know how we'll be collaborating this weekend. So what I'm going to ask you to do, which is just sinful to do in the morning, is actually ask you to stand up and bring your chairs up here, and we want you to line up 2 rows of chairs facing each other, okay, probably about 20 rows, 20 seats each in each row, okay, and you're going to face each other. So everyone bring your chairs on up. This is your runway to set up in, and we're going to do an activity where you're going to get to learn each other.
Should we
Get
take
to
a
meet each
move in
other?
this?
Yeah, we'll move this a little bit.
Teamwork thing? Look at- You've done this before, clearly.
Thank you. Now, don't be shy. You got to move a little closer so you can actually hear each other. Way closer, way closer. There's a lot of intimacy at a Frank Kern event if you haven't known that before. So everybody line up. Come on up, come on up. Each person's going to have about 2 minutes, okay? Each of you will have 2 minutes to here's what you're going to say to each other. You're going to introduce yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? Okay? Then what we want you to share is, what are you doing now that's cool? What are you doing now that's cool? Meaning, what's your current focus? What's your current promotion? What's your current product or your plan? What's the thing that you really came here for to learn how to do? What's that thing that you're working on right now that's cool? Because you could share your whole business life and your whole story of struggle and all these other things, but that's not going to serve you in this moment in which you get to connect with somebody and say, here's who I am, here's where I'm from, here's what I'm doing now that's cool. And then the third piece that we want you to share is, what would it take and what do you need to double your business? Okay, what do you need to double your business? So obviously that easy answer would be, I need to double my customer base. That's probably not the answer. Like, what do you need? I need a web guy. You know what? I need an affiliate manager. You know what? I need new branding. You know what? I need to go after a smarter niche. So really be thoughtful about that, because you're probably sitting across the row from someone who knows somebody who can connect you or help you out with that. Who are you? Where are you from? What are you doing now that's cool? And what would you need to double your business? We're going to give you 2 minutes each, and then we'll have an announcement that says switch. That's when you stop talking and you start talking. So you switch there. And then 2 minutes later, we'll have an announcement that says, all right, get up, move chairs. And then that means someone's going to move down. And what we'll do, because the way this is situated is this row here, you're all going to get up and move one down. You're going to come back around. You all got it?